it's day 3, and since we drew a caterpillar yesterday, I thought it would be apt to draw a butterfly today. So let's start with a slightly tilted to the right cross, like the drawing. And then we're gonna draw a circle, or more aptly like an oval. So it's gonna be flat on top and on the bottom. So as you can see in the drawing, you can draw a circle as well in the middle, and then just extend it a little bit on the right side and on the left side. And then we're gonna draw the body. Just follow the blue line, and then there's a little bit of a little tail on the end, and then curve, a concave curve. And then we're gonna draw the wings. Refer to the guide on the upper right corner. Butterfly wings, and then there's little wings in the back, and then the antenna is just a curved line. So next we're gonna draw the pattern on the butterfly wings. So it's gonna be just a big circle and a smaller circle. It's kind of like an oblong on the other one, but just follow that. And then we're gonna draw the face. It's just gonna be a smiling face like we've drawn before. Make sure the mouth is closer to the eyes, and then we're gonna draw 3 sets of limbs. Oh, those tail that I said earlier, it's not actually a tail, it's part of the leg. So there's 3 sets of legs. So now it's time to outline. So remember, when you outline, make sure you do single clean strokes. So if in comparison to sketching, the outline should be cleaner lines. So just copy what I'm doing right here, and we're gonna erase these sketching lines later. So I'm erasing this part because it wasn't centered, so just copy what I'm doing. And then we're gonna be coloring next, so get your colors ready. So we're gonna color the body and the head bright yellow, like the bumblebee we did previously. And then the wings are gonna be purple. You could color it whatever you want. Coloring the spots pink, the tiny dots orange, and then this line thing blue. So you can just decide whatever color you want to do. And then now we're going to proceed to the shading. So for shading, you just have to look for the source of the light. We're going to pick a darker yellow and imagine the light source, and where the light source doesn't hit, that should be the darker area. So I'm doing that at the lower part of the face, the back side of the body, and then pick a darker shade of purple, and then do the same with the butterfly's wings. So after you've done the shading, that basically sums up our drawing for the day. Hope you have a blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow.